Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that, bro. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I received a new update that I want to install with you. What is this? This phone is just crazy. Okay. Now, let's check general software update. This is just a quick update, and it's cool. Look at that. As you can see, wow, you can see iOS 17.1.2. Great, this update provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. Nice. You can see update here. Bro, I want to update this thing because it's very important. Sometimes I notice a bugs with my notifications panel. So I think that I need to update this phone right now, bro. Very important. I think that the process started. You can see. Okay, so I need to wait for this. Okay, nice. iOS update. Cool. Okay, we are back. That is okay, nice. As you can see by yourself, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17. Nice. Let me enter my passcode, my friend. Let's go on this. You can see. Nice. Okay, this is good. What I only recommend you to do right now is just to restart your phone again. Just turn off this phone. Wait 30 seconds. Okay. And turn on this phone again. Okay. And we are back. I want to my passcode. Nice. Cool. Now I can go on either 64 memory. Memory. And this is what I have. Wow. Cool. I can see now my phone feels great. Feel really, really great because I have noticed sometime a problem with notifications. This is why I decided to update very quickly this phone, my friend. Yes, no, it's okay. Okay, now tell me what you think about this. If you are ready for this update, and now I see you later for more videos like that in your studio 4D. Thank you.